Joe Thompson here. We're in the shop, and today we're working on this very fancy range hood. I've already made the interior structural component upon which the shell is going to be resting. The shell is composed of 16 gauge hot rolled material. So the frame, the interior frame, is made out of 1/2 by 1 16 gauge tubing that I've rolled and then fabricated. So I've already covered that board going this way. Got that 3.5 here. This is going to be the direction of roll. Well, I think that's us.
A little bit overbent.
Yeah, absolutely. Right here, I've got to probably clamp that. No. Let's see. You know, this will come in like that. We'll just shear 3/4. So our shear does a pretty good job of not twisting a narrow piece of material. The greater the rake on the shear, the more you induce twist. That's not bad. This is a relatively constant slope, right? So I'm going to go like this, put my hand underneath it so I can, okay, a little bit at a time. Okay, just a little tiny bit. Okay, I bend it a little bit. I'm going to move over like that. Bend it a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be beyond the weld.
Yep.
Okay, and I can feather in, I can kind of feather in the bend a little bit. Okay, I'm going to come to you. One more. So the sequence of welding is going to be, I'm going to weld this one to that one. That's the, then I'll piece in the other ones. Okay. Make that work. So I'm going to go like that. I'm going to extend it over about an inch or so. I don't want to be short. Okay? And I know I'm going to bend it right up. Cut it right up. I'm going to check both sides to make sure it's straight. This is the next one that's going to go on. And so I've got to make the back end first, like this, and then I'll go ahead and weld it off right there. But I've got to make the bottom first, and I'll trim this off. Now is clean this up. I got a pretty good fit up. I'm feeling a little bit of that I probably could close this up a little tiny bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to the vise and just very carefully close that, maybe 32nd of an inch. Just so we get a little bit better fit up to the sheet metal. I'm just closing it up a little tiny bit. A little bit of that, so I probably can do it a little tiny bit. Yeah, so I'm happier with that, especially down on this. What I'll do, I'm putting this tape back far enough so that I can won't burn it too badly. "21 inches."